is our pencil, and I'm going to be just explaining you with the very basic way in which we use our pencil to measure anything. So let's just first make a square, like a perfect square. How to make a square? So let's say I make a line like this. Let me just make it a little darker. And then this. Okay, one more thing. Whenever you're making horizontal or vertical lines, kind of try to relate it with the edges of your paper, of the any paper you're working, or any canvas. Right now I have a digital canvas, so I'm kind of also I have that I'm keeping this in mind, that this edge and this edge, they are running parallel here and here. Now let's say I want to make it a square. So what I'll do, I'll keep my pencil in my hand and just let's log the height. So this height I want for all the four sides. So now see how the way I'm holding my pencil, like this and this and this, and watch. I'll just keep my pencil on this vertical line. Where the line starts, I'm gonna keep, you can do it with the other side as well, like this if you want, or this side as well. So like this, just measure it. Keep your index finger where the line ends, something like this, like this. Yeah. Now, without moving your index finger, just place it on the other line and just make a mark like this. Now these both sides, they are same. Now what I'll do, I'll make the other side work, and then this. This is how I get a perfect square. We can refine it later, but this is like the basic way in which we can make straight lines. Okay, now let's just try it with a rectangle. Maybe let's make a rectangle, but then let's give ourselves a condition where I want the length to be twice the width. So let's make a rectangle now. So let's say I have this line over here, and I'm going to make this length. Just making a random line. This we can practice on paper, digital, or any medium. Okay, we are learning the techniques here, like this. Now let's do the measurement again. This time I want the length to be twice the width, so just measuring it here, just putting my mark 1 like this, mark 2 like this, and then just making it. So here the ratio is 1/1, here the ratio is 1/2. So this way we can extend the ratio by, we can increase or decrease the size by keeping the ratio same. Let's just do one more. Maybe this time I want the length, it would be a standing rectangle, and the length or the height would be 1.5 times of the base. Okay, the width. So let's say this is my base and that would be my height, like this. Now I said 1.5 times, so it is 1, placing a mark. I place the mark like this. Let's measure it again. Okay, now I want half of this. So before moving ahead, I'll just place a half mark. What I think it's half. I think this is the half. Now, how to basically verify if it is a half? Just keep your pencil again on it, like this and like this. Okay, now it seems half and half. I'm holding my pencil like that only. Half and half. Now see? Sorry. Now I'll just take this half again and here place a mark. 1 2 3. Just mark a line from there. This. Now see, I have this 1 1 and half. So this is now 1 and 1.5. So this is the basic way how you can use your pencil to practice measuring proportions. Now let's come to the part 2. So